Yo, this is Milan Tripura once again back. I will take the stage, nobody destroyed me, nobody hurt me. I'm ready to move, I'm ready to show. Hey, everybody looking for a healthy man and healthy female. OMG, kalapania. Hey, you pick up right now, you have me right now. You gonna be best, hey, you gonna be broke, hey. You see me now, this is my first time I ever I ever hope. Hip-hop Northeast in the end, yeah. No matter how you plan, just walk on the stage, I got a beat, got it said, yo. What the fuck, man? Don't be a car, man. I be wrecked. This is my freestyle boss, yeah. I get checks, the goods to set, the space station, gotta play.
So like easily flow. It's an opportunity to live some wrong. Never let your life in pain, cause it's only once you get to spend. If you wanna get something in life, do I make sure you feel easily can. And I don't respect my single friend. Let me explain. Music surrounding my blood, listen up. I choose to my cause never give up. Never look for what, just focus on what. Niggas and simply feed me off. Now I gotta listen and grabbing a voice. I'm living happy like true man trust. I look at my kid representing for the Northeast. What exactly what I try to say is I belong to different subdivision. So now for life is one of my missions. I'm probably gonna follow my decisions. I'm married for the pop and taste my prison. So many foolish around me doubting what's the damn, but this boy is rapping. Don't about that to ask me again. Cause I'm a beginner still learning, yeah.